make the paperwork for me.
Yes, it's not literally like that.
Then what is it?
You see, in an office, there are many documents to be submitted. That is all.
So it's a letter like I wrote to the palace.
Answer her now. You were so feisty while quarreling with Miss Jawan. Now explain it all to Pari.
I will do it. I will explain it all to her. Pari, come with me to the office, okay? Huh? So you will know all about it.
Is it the kind of office mom goes to?
Yes, and no as well. Listen, just come with me. I will explain everything to you on the way, okay? Come.
Where are you going now? Have some tea.
I will not drink tea or anything now. I won't be at peace until the water supply begins.
Wonderful. You're some kind of a king, aren't you? As if you're off on some campaign. Don't do something crazy, that's all I ask.
Hey, aunt, he will go. Right, uncle?
Okay, you can go. But don't take Pari, okay? You will not remember anything. You may lose your way or fall down.
And I will hold his hand tight. I won't let him fall.
See, what a nice child.
Good girl, grandma. Take him safe. I'll be back. Aunt, take water from my place if you really need it. You have the key.
Sure.
I'll go now. Come on.
Okay, come on.
Bye, aunt.
Bye.
Bye, Aunt.
Let's go.
Bye bye.
Listen, Neha, hurry up. I'm starving here. See, everyone has already gone to eat.
Shefali, give me 5 minutes. I'm almost done.
It's so boring in the office today, right? It's no fun when Sameer sir isn't here.
Sameer sir isn't here and Yash hasn't come yet.
I think he must have went with sir only. It must be something related to the work. They should have come back to the office by now, right? Someone is waiting for you. Don't they even get that much? God, bring back Sameer sir to the office as soon as possible. Please, please, please.
Madam, your wish won't be granted today.
Why are you saying that?
Come on, madam. You should ask me once before getting Almighty involved. Sameer sir and Yash sir both went to Delhi. They will come after a couple of days.
How do you know?
Madam, I am Suresh. I know all the news. I am the senior peon here. Huh? Ah.
Oh no! Which means I won't see Sameer sir for the next 2 days.
What is wrong with Yash? If he wasn't going to come, why didn't he mention it?
How can I live for the next 2-3 days without him?
I cooked a meal for him with all that was going on. It's going to be wasted now.
It will be wasted. 2 or 3 days will be wasted.
How could he leave without informing?
But why did he go with Sameer sir? I could have gone, right?
I won't speak to him now. He doesn't value me at all. If his wife cooks for him in the future and leaves without informing, she will tackle him. Then he will know what this tiffin is worth. I'm furious with him.
I'm furious with Sameer sir.
The water is hassling me no end. I put the clothes into the machine, but I can't get them washed. And my husband went off with Pari just now. It is time for dinner, but he is the one who's missing. Did he lose the way or did something happen? God knows. Oh God.
Hello, Aunt.
Paranjape, it's you. Come on in.
Yeah.
Please sit. Do you need something? My husband has just gone out. Neha has gone to the office as well.
I need something, but not from Miss Neha or Uncle. I want to meet you.
Who, me?
Hello? Yeah. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I told you so, right? I know that is important for you, but I am busy with something here. Yeah? I'll be there in 5 minutes, okay? Please wait, okay? I'll be there. Sorry, Aunt, I'm busy with all the meetings lined up. But I thought this is important and I have set aside half an hour for this and rushed over.
What's so important that you needed to see me like this?
Sit down first, okay?
Listen.
Sit down, please. Just a few days ago, you mentioned your knee pain, right? I have a friend coming in from Rishikesh. I called him at once last night. I asked him to bring this oil. This is very potent oil. You will find it very useful.
Why must you fuss so much about it?
I like helping people out. You consider me as a family, right? Then don't get formal and estrange me, okay? Keep this and use it. It will work for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Sit, please. Let me make some tea for you. Or food is ready. Will you eat and go?
No, I'm already in a rush. I got a call. But I'll find time, since you said so, and inform you and come over for a meal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
I'll leave now. Pari? Pari, Miss Neha's daughter doesn't seem to be here.
My husband took her to the BMC. There are major water issues in our building for now. That is what he wants to complain about. I can't tell if he lost the way or something else. Have some water, if not tea. I'll be back. I can't begin to tell you. My husband forgets everything these days. He goes to a shop to get something and brings something totally random. He can't remember any names at all. He even leaves the vegetable bag at the shop. He goes off to work but forgets what he went there to do. I'm so worried about him. Today he's taken Pari with him. Have some water.
Don't worry, he'll get home safe. I'll leave now, okay?
Okay. Keep visiting us.
Yeah. Please use the oil and see.
Yes, of course.
See you. Hello? Yeah. Listen carefully. This is important. Just do as I say. Aunt, Uncle Bandu will get home safe. I guarantee it.
Do you understand what I was saying you this morning?
I understand a bit of it, not much.
Okay, fine. You will understand the rest of it when you grow up. Okay?
Where do we go now, Uncle?
Where do you mean? We will go home now. We are already late. Aunt will start shouting now.
Uncle, I want snacks.
You want a snack? Okay, let's go.
No, I will go alone. I am a big girl.
That old man and the girl, okay? Pay attention. I will manage the old man. You. Get the girl, okay? Both of you know what you have to do, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 10 rupees. And this is another 10. So how much is it then? Rupees 20.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Now go on. I will wait over here.
Yes.
Okay?
Go on, she's gone, move. You wait.
You were lucky it didn't break. It's expensive. Use it carefully. Watch where you go, okay?
Yes,
Go.
Uncle. Thank you so much. Uncle,
Yes.
can you tell me this address, please?
Okay. Yes. That lane up ahead.
Yes.
Just go in there, okay?
this is Paranjpe the lawyer. Yes.
Paranjpe?
Oh, uncle, it's you? Let me call you back, okay? Hey, why are you here?
I have something to do over here.
Oh, I have to meet a client here myself. My next meeting is in your locality. See, I have parked my bike right there. Come on, let me drop you home.
No, don't trouble yourself. Just go.
Uncle, it's no trouble. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, no.
Uncle, let's go. It's no trouble for me. I said let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu. Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu,
Hey dear,
Uncle Bandu.
what is it? Where are your parents?
My mom went to the office.
Are you lost, my dear?
I'm not lost. My Uncle Bandu is missing.
We will find him.
Uncle Bandu,
My child.
Uncle Bandu, Uncle Bandu.
Listen, let's go and find him. Let's go. You sit here. Sit down.
Uncle Bandu.
Do you want water?
Yes.
You are so funny.
Yeah.
Paranjpe. Yes, come in now.
Paranjpe, it's you?
Yeah. Uncle met me on the road. I came to drop him home.
I said since he came all the way, he should have some tea as well. Make some tea, please.
I will make some tea. But where have you been all this time? You're so late. Pari must be really hungry now. Where is she? Has she gone off to play? How could you let her go just like that? She should have eaten something before going.
One moment. Pari? Pari wasn't with him.
What?
Yeah. I thought he must have come home to drop her and stepped out again.
Listen. Where is Pari?
Uncle?
Listen. Say something. Where did you leave her? How could you leave her? I told you so. You don't remember lately. Don't take her along. But you didn't listen to me.
Wait, let me bring her.
Uncle, don't.
No. Don't add to the troubles anymore.
Uncle, you sit here, please. Come on, sit here, please.
What could have happened to her? What if someone did something?
Aunt, please, I'm here. I'll check. Don't worry. Don't think like this. Uncle, don't worry. I am here. Huh? Aunt, please calm down. We will do one thing. First, we will call Miss Neha and tell her.
Yes, call Neha, please.
Do you want some water?
No, I won't eat or drink anything until Pari gets home. Oh, God. Oh.
Yes, Mr. Pranspe, tell me.
Miss Neha, what has happened is that Pari...
What about her? Is she okay?
No, I mean...
What? Has her blood sugar increased? Is she dizzy?
No,
Then what?
Pari is lost. Uncle took her with him to Sonare Road. Over there, I don't know, maybe he got distracted or something, I don't know, but...
How could you get lost?
Uncle, I told you Uncle Bandu is missing. I am not. Uncle Bandu? Uncle Bandu? Uncle Bandu? Uncle Bandu?
Calm down. Don't shout in the road, please.
How do I find Uncle Bandu?
Do you have his any photo?
No, I don't.
How we find him then? Okay, tell me, where does he live?
Next to us.
What does he look like?
He is old but intelligent. I like him very much.
If you knew your address, then I would certainly take you home.
I know my address by heart. Amber Society, Shelarpara, Suryanagar, Thane West. I know my mother's number too. Should I tell you?
No. Wait. Let me go ask that shopkeeper. Did an old man come here? You wait here, okay? Don't go anywhere, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
You just have to take care of that little girl, and you've already called me so many times.
Listen, sir, she's a sharp one. It's not easy as you imagine it to be. That girl is extremely clever. She knows her address and cell phone number. I thought she would be scared about her uncle being lost. But nothing doing. She has no fear. Passers-by have been looking at us. If anyone has any doubts, I will get scared. Mr. Paranchway, nobody will file an FIR, right?
Keep quiet. That doesn't happen. Yeah. I'm telling you. Listen, that won't happen, okay? Do one thing. Take that girl elsewhere. Go on. It's working out as per my plans here. The old man and his wife are petrified. The mom will come soon. Let the drama carry on for a little longer. After she comes, I'll enter here like a hero. So you stay put with her until I say so, okay?
But sir.
End of topic.
Pari? Hey, excuse me. Have you seen her? She's my 4-year-old
No.
daughter. Have you seen her?
Sorry.
Pari? Hey, have you seen her? She's my daughter. She's 4 years old. She's missing. Have you seen her around?
No, I haven't seen her.
Hey, uncle.
Yes.
Uncle, she's. Have you seen her?
No, sorry,
she's my
sorry.
little
I
girl.
haven't seen her. Sorry.
Where can I look for Pari?
What is it, dear? Why are you in tears?
Aunt, she is my daughter. She's 4 years old. She's so little. She has diabetes too. She gets dizzy too. She's lost.
Don't worry, dear. Have faith in God.
Where can I find her?
You will find her for sure. Okay, do you have her photo?
Yes, it's her.
Sir, listen. Have you seen her? Have you seen her anywhere?
This girl?
Yes.
Yes, yes. She was just sitting in our shop.
She was here?
Yes.
Where did she go?
I don't know. She was sitting with a man.
Was an old man with white hair with her?
I don't remember. Actually, I was busy working.